girl, I think I'm on some time. I can't find. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back. My name is Lucy. If you're new, welcome to the channel. We do makeup unboxings and everything fun up here, and if it includes makeup. And if you're not new, hey girl, hey, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and that notification bell so that you get notified every single time I actually upload a video. I feel like most of you who are subscribed to me are not getting notifications whenever I upload, so do hit that bell and yeah, you will get notified. So in today's video, we're going to be doing a flawless kind of no foundation makeup routine in a way, you know. And also for my makeup beginners, this can actually be really nice because first of all, when you're a beginner, you don't know what foundation is, you don't know how to apply it, you don't know where it goes. So I feel like, and also for people who don't like foundation on their skin or get irritated by foundation, I think this is one video that you will actually really want to watch, because I mean, no foundation routine, but you know, still looking glowy and still having that a bit of a coverage. I mean, who wouldn't want that? If you want to see how I create a flawless base, then keep on watching. So for a flawless foundation, first you need a good primer, and for that I'm going to be going in with my Becca Skin Love blurring primer. It blurs out the pores, and we got pores on this channel, and we need to get them off. Most people don't know we have foundations, we have skin tints, we have BB creams, yeah, so if you're going to use any of that, you definitely do need a primer. And I'm going to go in on my T-zone areas because basically that's where, like, you know, we got the pores. So after applying the primer, I'm just going to go in with the powder, and I'm just going to go over my T-zone area, and because that's where I get sweaty sometimes a lot, so yeah. So for today's video, I'm going to be using the xoxo's tinted face oil. We're going to be trying this out today, me. Ooh. So I do have two shades here. That's shade number 8 and 8.2, and we'll see which one matches me. So this is 8.2 and this is 8. I do feel like 8.2 is actually my best match, and we're just going to be using that for today. They're not really foundations, but they have like a coverage for a foundation. I'm just going to do some drops, like maybe 2 drops on each side. Just going to use a brush for this. Oh, if you're oily, I'm not sure this will be for you because it's very dewy. I'm not sure this is for my oily girls, but for my dry girls, this is absolutely gorgeous. And this is actually really nice for summer or when you're going to the beach, because it's not that heavy, it's really lightweight, and it feels like I'm applying a moisturizer on. So as you can see, my face looks very dewy, very fresh. It's very lightweight, and this is actually for my dry skin girls. It's very refreshing and nourishing and hydrating as well. So if you're starting out to do like makeup and you're dry skin and you don't like the coverage of a foundation, or you don't know how to apply a foundation, this is actually my best pick for you. So I'm just going to go with the xoxo's concealer and also an Avon cashmere longwear concealer. So the cashmere one is in the shade Biscuit Petite Pain, so this is a lighter one, so this one I will use it to really brighten my eyes. And also I have the 8.2 from xoxo's, which I will definitely start with. Now you want to let this dry up a little bit before you go in with either a brush, a small brush, concealer brush, or or you go in with a beauty blender. I'm just going to stomp in this bit as I come down, just gently stomping it. Then I'm going to take in my beauty blender and we're just going to gently tap in. Next, I'm going to go in with my Maybelline Face Studio Setting Powder. So then I'm just going to apply this under my eyes. So this is a brightening powder for me, and I just place a little bit on my hand, and then I use a sponge to actually tap in the excess. I'm gonna go over all the places that I used the concealer. We're just going to set in the concealer. Always never forget the smile lines, because during the day we kind of find that your smile lines, that's where you tend to actually have a lot of creasing. So I'm going to go in with my Makeup Revolution blusher Reloaded in Coral Dream. It's a nice peachy kind of a color. I love it very much because of that color. I'm just going to go over my cheeks with this. Next thing, I'm just going to go in with this Kosas Deep Warm Dark Bronzer. So beautiful, like the shade, it's so smooth and buttery and just, oh, I love it. Just going to go in where I would normally have my contour, and we're just going to warm my face up. Next step in, I'm just going to go in with this new Revlon Skin Light Prismatic Highlighter. This is in the shade 202 Twilight Gleam. How gorgeous is this? The packaging in itself is just amazing. Aye. So you want to go in with your highlighter on your cheekbones, you know, this space between your eye and your cheek area. So that's where you want to do the highlight. So you just want to tap in and feel a bone there, and that's where you actually need your highlight to go. So I'm just going to do my brows, then come back, my brows and eyes, then come back. Face done, hair done. Okay, so lastly in, I'm just going to use this Caudalie Beauty Elixir. So it's the new, it's like a limited edition, and I'm just going to set in my makeup with everything. So that's it from me, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Do give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and also share with your friends. And yeah, I will see you on the next one. Bye.